Right. So today we are working on a vampire lord as selected by the Twitter poll. It's this little guy. Well, it's not directly this guy. He comes in a pack of 2. Where do I have? I don't have his thing. So, hope you enjoy. Hopefully, what is the time lapse? Because oh boy, is there lots of issues. But we got the finished mini, and I'll see you on the other side. The inside of it should be gold. I love gold. No, it's bronze. I don't want bronze. I want gold. Gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold, buttons of silver and gold. Find me someone that doesn't lick the paintbrushes when they paint. Find you a fucking liar. Find me someone who says they've never accidentally drank paint water. And I'll find you a goddamn rookie. Everyone's drank the paint water before. That's why it's in coffee cups. To confuse us. Ah, motherfucking car. Don't fall. Gravity is your enemy. You're very, like, leany. Leany boy. Leather brown. That's chestnut gold. Is leather brown a good pants color for a vampire? Mix it in with this gold we have. You do the difference between you and I. Hungry eyes. Good vampire theme song. We want this blood red. Can't paint a vampire without some blood red. Dang it, Bobby. It still didn't help. The pants issue. The great pants issue of 2021. Ah! Oh, I should watch some Dr. Horrible. Dr. Horrible was so fucking good. When's the goddamn sequel, Joss? You took away Firefly from us. Give me my Dr. Horrible back, at least. Think of the children. Should have taken a before and after. Should have fucking thought that through. Totally didn't, but that one's blank, yeah. See, that's just very brown. Ugh. Too brown. How now, brown cow? I'm gonna wait for this to dry a little bit. Much like your mother, it's too fucking wet. Right, let's get back. Didn't it dry first? Ooh, that's not too bad. It's a bit darker now. Oh, why is there... Sorry, there's Foo Fighters in the background. We can't play Foo Fighters in the background. Except I really want music, so we're gonna time lapse this bit so I can have music. Hit it! So, we tried Mountain Stone for the boots. It didn't look very good. We've muddled in the blood red on the boots now. We're gonna see how that dries. We gotta figure out hair. I got pink. I bet that'd be fun. I'm getting blue hair. No. We got some Skada flesh. I got like a linen white. We give him John Lennon white hair. Ah, fuck. We fucked it. We done fucked it. Don't lick the paint. Don't tell Mom. We can fix it. We can fix it. Stop bleeding. We can fix it. Fucking childhood flashbacks for a second. Too real. The mini painting got too real. Oh no. We're gonna wait for these boots to dry because I'm still not thrilled about them. So now we let this dry. All right. So day after, same day as the intro. There is our finished mini. It never focuses. It'll never focus. Oh, we got eyes on this one. We'll take a picture, throw it up on screen. As always, thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you soon.